Hello everybody, Scout Train Spotter 1999 here, and welcome to my first year anniversary here at Winsford. The train that brought me in was the 12:07 London Midland service to Liverpool Land Street from Birmingham New Street. It is 3:50, 1:30. And this station is situated on the West Coast main line, so you will be seeing services by Virgin Trains, as it's the flagship stations on here, and also London Midland, and hopefully, as down this neck of the woods, hopefully quite a handful of freight. So that's off to Liverpool Land Street, and let's see what shall arrive and depart. Okay, now arriving in is going to be the 12:08 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street via Crewe from Liverpool Land Street. Nice day for it, I'll tell you that. So we have 350, 371. These are the much comfier sets. Okay, ready to depart now is going to be the 12:08 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street via Crewe from Liverpool Land Street. And with 350, 371 accelerating to its next stop at Crewe. Okay, preparing to pass through now is going to be a Virgin Pendolino from Liverpool Land Street to London Euston. $390,046. Damn, they're going quick. Okay, now passing through is going to be another Virgin Pendolino to Glasgow Central from London Euston. Get the numbers. 011. Oh god, they're coming through it too quick. Okay, passing through now, we are going to have a Class 90 ready to pass through on the Moss End to Daventry runs. I always think there's something behind us, but there isn't. '90, 035 and 37, yeah, and it was Spirit of Dagenham, I think it was, with a Ford badge on it. Cool. Okay, now passing is going to be a Virgin Pendolino bound for London Euston from Glasgow Central. 390.02. Was it 009?
Yeah.
Ah, I thought so.
I have to edit this now.
Why?
Stops.
I like it.
I like it.
Look at the dust that's come off that. It's pretty much like HS1, if you've ever been on that. Okay, passing through now is going to be a 350 Desirado, sorry, for London Midlands off to Liverpool Lime Street. From Birmingham New Street. $350 with the air turbulence going right down my back and my bottom. Right, passing through now is going to be a London Midland service through to Birmingham New Street from Crewe. I mean via Crewe from Liverpool Lime Street. And it's going to be a 350 Desi, as I call them, as everyone else calls them. $350-266. So unfortunately it's only going about 100 miles an hour because it's the Dash 2. If you get the Dash 1s or 3s, they'll probably reach about 110. Yeah, the commuter trains. Okay, passing through is another freight train bound for Crewe Bass Hall from Garston Freight Line Terminal near Liverpool in Speke. So it's passing through. I think it might be a 1. So I imagine it's not going to have that many cars on it. Did you have the same reaction as me?
What?
Did you have the same reaction as me?
No,
You dirty get.
Oh, it's a scary.
I'm gonna. So yeah, it was 86,604 with Cranes Fan UK scaring me. I'm not taking you on another trip with you. You can find someone else. You've just nearly gave me an heart attack. I don't know why you're laughing. I could have died.
Just the way you jumped and looked it.
Okay, now passing through, we're going to have a Virgin Super Voyager service to London Euston from Glasgow via Birmingham New Street. 22119 then.
119.
Oh, that smells nice though. I knew that face would make you laugh. Okay, preparing to pass through now is going to be a Virgin Pendolino service to Liverpool Lime Street from London Euston. Let's just avoid any wow, right down the ear. What? So it was 156? Yes. So it was 390,156.
Oh, more sparks.
How do you feel it sparked right down the ear?
Did it?
Yeah, it was like, pew, right down the ear. Okay, passing through is going to be a Virgin Pendolino. I have no idea where to. $391.26. I don't know actually. I think it might be off to Glasgow. It's not recorded. What's the time now?
The time is
13:03.
yeah.
Probably a delayed service off to like Glasgow or Edinburgh, possibly.
Yeah, it's for that late one.
Yeah, true. Okay, now approaching in is going to be the 13.7 London Midland service to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street, and also via Crewe. And it is a 350 Desazzi. I'm calling it a Desazzi now, and it is 350.262. Liverpool, London Midland. Okay, now departing is going to be the 1307 London Midland service to Liverpool Lime Street, formed of 350 262. And doing its normal route from Birmingham to London. And also down the distance we have the other 350, which is going to be forming the 1310 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. Okay, now arriving in is going to be the 1310 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. I know, I do remember, I'm not sure if this was before or it's going to happen soon, I remember London Midland saying that they were going to terminate at Preston. Birmingham New Street to Preston, supposedly. It is 350 257 or 267. Sorry. Imagine that though. You'll have to go Blackpool. It's like Manchester Piccadilly, there's no terminus platforms for trains coming in from the west, is there? So they always carry on to airport, don't they? So I imagine they'll do that or something. And I imagine it's departing after my little London Midland / Manchester Piccadilly ranty anty. So yes, 350 267 is ready to depart with the 1310 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. That was a two-tone. That was a... That was nice. Okay, ready to pass by now is going to be a Virgin Pendolino service to London Euston from Liverpool Lime Street.
Get ready to pass through the station is a Class 390.
Is that just me or is it going slow?
London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. I don't know.
Doesn't look like it's going very fast. Virgin Stagecoach 390 125. Did that driver give us a wave?
I think he did.
Yeah, I seen him do that quickly. Nice little thing, innit? Give him a thumbs up, then he'll give you a wave.
So, I get him was. That means
Yeah, exactly. Means you like their job. Maybe.
Oh, something to say, guys. By the way, if you...
Okay, passing through now is going to be a Virgin Pendolino for London Euston. From London Euston to Edinburgh Waverley. $390,047, click Sergeant. Yes, I knew it was because of the pink nameplate. That's gone via Birmingham. Just thought, let you guys know. Okay, passing through now is going to be a Class 66. To, I have no idea. I think it's to Apsley Sidons. Where is it? Damn, he's clagging. I'm just going to stand back so I don't get a heart attack. Oh, okay then. Would you do anything? Oh, that smell! So that was 66, 162.
Oh,
I think something's wrong with that. 66ers aren't clagging like that, do they? They never clag like that.
66, 162. If you didn't forget. Nice one, Tom Winford drivers, I think.
Quick blast of the tone, really, wasn't it? Okay, our final train of the day is going to be a Virgin Pendolino from Glasgow Central to London Euston.
That pass through now is a
God.
Pendolino to London Euston from Glasgow Central, if I'm correct.
Yeah, you are correct. $390 005.
It's 390 005.
I think. And it was City of,
Wolverhampton.
yeah, it looked like it, and it was City of Wolverhampton. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, as that flies straight down, I shall conclude the video there. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching my 1 year anniversary here at Winsford. I really do hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Any comments, questions, anything about my channel, any station recommendations, I'll get back to as soon as possible and try and make your wish come true. My next station is going to be Salou in Spain, doing a bit of intercontinental or international train spotting. So yeah. Here today was the chav himself. With my aviators on.
I actually do think a suit.
You actually do.
No, do you like these? Oh, they're so cool.
Everyone suits aviators. That is true. Nah, they're fine, man. Yes. So, before I do go, I'm going to give some quick shout outs for people who've stayed 1 year with me. So I've got to give a big shout out to my main inspiration of Tornado 922, who deserves the biggest shout out I could possibly give for pretty much making what I do today such pleasurable. I mean, I've met him a few times in a few places, and yeah, so he's a really nice guy. Also, after shout out to Trains Fan UK himself, because he always follows me. Yeah, you are. I have to shout out Northern Train Spotter 97. Go on then. I know what you mean. So yeah, the Train Spotter 5000 and something's coming. What is that?
That's it.
Oh god.
Good luck.
What else? There's a few others I can't really think. It's not really on my mind. Well, there's 350 127 flying through to Liverpool Lime Street from Birmingham New Street. So yeah, I can't really think all in my head. I might make a separate video on who I should give shout outs to and who's been inspiration and who's like been with me for the whole journey of 1 year. What? Like a super thank you for 1 year. I love you guys. Yous are the best. Thank you for 5
Don't say it now.
Yeah, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. That's the basis. So yes, for me here at Winsford, I shall see you guys over in Spain in a few weeks. Bye guys.